Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SoFi to optimize IRA contributions, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring SoFi to optimize your IRA contributions, first, log into your SoFi account. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section of the platform. From the Invest section, locate and select the Retirement tab. Here, you will find options for individual retirement accounts. Choose the IRA type you wish to set up, such as a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Carefully review the differences between the two types to determine which one aligns with your financial goals. After selecting the type of IRA, proceed to the application process. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues during account setup. Next, specify your contribution amount. SoFi typically allows you to set your contributions based on annual limits. Keep in mind the IRS contribution limits for the tax year when determining your amount. Once you've decided on the contribution, choose your funding source. You can link to your bank account or transfer funds from an existing retirement account. When linking a bank account, provide the required banking details. It's important to verify that the account is in your name. Review the terms and conditions related to your IRA account carefully. Once you've read through them, confirm that you agree to the terms. Submit your application once all fields are completed. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email from SoFi. This email may include important information about your new IRA account. Next, set up automatic contributions, if desired, to ensure consistent funding. In your account settings, locate the Automatic Contribution option. Decide how much and how often you want to contribute automatically, such as monthly or quarterly. Adjust the settings based on your financial situation and goals. Once your automatic contribution settings are updated, review your investment options. SoFi provides various investment strategies tailored for retirement accounts. Select the appropriate investment mix based on your risk tolerance and retirement timeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.